I made $2,331 in 4 days from a $7 product. No ads, no face videos, no crazy tech stuff. And the wild part, you can literally copy the same funnel I use. Let me break this down real quick because most people are overcomplicating this game. Here's the deal. Most beginners think they need some $1,000 course or a high-ticket offer to make money online. Nah, I flipped that logic. I focus on building a tiny funnel that actually converts strangers into buyers. A $7 product isn't about getting rich, it's about qualifying buyers. Because a buyer, even at $7, is worth 100 times more than a freebie lead. So here's how the $7 viral funnel works. And I'm telling you right now, it's stupid simple. Step one, a no-brainer offer. Create something that solves one immediate pain point, not a course, not a program, one clear win. My $7 product helped people launch their first digital product fast. And then there's step two, the viral element. Me, I baked in resale rights. That means everyone who bought it could also sell it, so it spreads like wildfire. And that's why it's called the viral funnel. Step three, stack the perceived value. I added bonuses, Canva templates, done-for-you content, plug-and-play pages, and when people saw it, they were like, wait, this is only $7? Boom, instant sale. And guess what? System.io handled everything. The checkout, upsells, emails for free. The crazy part, I didn't run ads, didn't have a big audience. This was pure organic traffic. People shared it, reposted it, and even gave testimonials about it. And that's when it hit me. This isn't just a product, it's a movement because it gives beginners a way to finally get a win without feeling lost or scammed. So if you're watching this like, bro, I need this exact funnel, you can grab it below for $7. It's plug and play. Copy it into your System.io account and start testing it today. And I'm going to be honest, don't overthink it. Just post about it, talk about it, get feedback, tweak it. That's how you win online. And if you want to see exactly how I build funnels like this step by step, then you're going to want to watch the video popping up on your screen right now. Because when you pair what you just learned in this video with what you're going to learn in the next, it's going to make you way more powerful. Stay blessed.